Okay, so just a quick short video. This might be helpful to anybody out there. I couldn't find where the idle screws were, so I'm just going to upload this onto YouTube. Might help you find the idle screws. Anyway, this is my 1973 Rover 3500S, and as you can see, it's idling at 10,000 revs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the revs down to between 750 and 800. All going well. Anyway, so I'll pop around to the front of the car and I'll show you where the idle screws are. Okay, so here we are. We take a look. You are just here on the 35S idle screw there, and also on 35S idle screw this one here. So I'm going to give them a short small turn. I'm going to bring the two of them down and see where the revs drop out to. I can't really hold, I'm trying to hold the camera as well. Bring it down a small half a turn. And bring her down there as well. She's dropped down, you can hear it, she's dropped down there. Come back around and we'll take a look. What are we at? Small bit down, not much. So we drop her down just a small bit more. Bring her down a small bit more. Maybe a quarter of a turn more on that one. And a quarter of a turn. Oh, she's really dropped down there now, as you can hear. Hopefully that'll be it. Yeah, she's idling there about right now. I would say that's, I'd be happy enough with that. Let's just make sure we're all good. I think that's a bit better, yeah. Just knock her out for a second. Don't mind that, that's just me starter's a bit lazy. Yeah, that'll do for me. So, for anybody who is only new to the 35S, the Rover, just for future reference, you will find your idle screws here and here. Okay, and just to give you a tip, before you do anything or before you adjust your idle screws, just in case you're unsure, take a photograph of the idle screws first with your camera, and this will allow you know exactly where those idle screws were set in case you go wrong or get mixed up or anything. Alright, I hope this is a bit helpful for you. If it's your first Rover like mine, that's where the idle screws are. Cheers lads.